What is up, guys? Today I'm gonna do my first ever review channel. We're gonna be reviewing and playing with the sorry if it's kind of hard to hear me because the TV. If you're wondering what that is, it's a little mystery show. But yeah, anyway, we're gonna be doing the Mario Kart. First I'm gonna turn this on. I'll be right back. So, this is the Mario Kart I got for Christmas. I don't know why it's in hover mode. Hover mode. There we go. So what you need to do, you gotta turn it on, turn the bottom on, and you will need to change batteries. Okay. So now it's on. Okay, guys. So we're gonna be maybe in the next video. I'll see how my evil twin reacts to it. I'll see how he reacts to it. So, yeah, okay, so I'm actually gonna set this in the chair, show you how this works. I'm gonna have this on the floor. The carpet is kind of dirty, so yeah. Anyway, I'm actually gonna flip this. I might just need this as a prop. Okay, I'm gonna have this as a prop, guys. So you can see the car. Because if it's up here, it's just like this. So, because the car is not 5 foot tall. Actually, I'm gonna put this right here and the chair right here. Okay, guys, we're just wasting time. I'm gonna put this on the table. So this is Mario himself. When you press this button or put it up, or what button is it? What button is it? Hold on. What the heck is the matter with this? Hold on.
Third. 4 minutes to go.
What on earth is the matter with this? Okay, there we go. And then you do these. So I'm gonna set this down. I'm actually gonna hold the iPad, also known as my camera. I'm gonna see this work. Oh, it's tripping by the cord. Okay, kind of hard to hold this, but I'm gonna be careful as I can. Oh. Guys, you want to hear something funny? One time I got this for Christmas. My grandparents gave me this, and the dog, when I was controlling it, Mario, the dog, was actually chasing it. It was pretty funny. He thought it was a rat. Like, when he was sniffing it, it went back, and he would, like, chase after it. But if it went toward him, he would run away. It's kind of funny. But now we have a new dog, Girly, representing my aunt's name when she was little. Go in there, Mario. Oh, no. He's going in the bathroom. I'm actually going to have this light on. You can't see him really well. There we go. Where do you think you're going? He went over there. So what you need to do, look, if you do this, that makes him go forward. If you do this, makes him go backwards. Oh, almost dropped this. Okay. And this is how you change his directions. So see, he's facing that way right now. So if you have one of these and you don't know how to do it, I can show you, because I'm showing you the controls also. Oh, let's put him. If you press this button right here, one of these, he changes into hover mode. I might need to cut the volume down. It's pretty loud. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna change him back. Get the volume back up. Okay. I'm gonna make him go to the kitchen, guys. Hey, Mario, go to the kitchen. Hold on, let me make him go back. I'm gonna make him get Daddy. Oh, he hit the desk. Go in there. Go in the dining room. Oh, he hit the basket case. Hey, Mario, go to the fridge. Let me get this. Go to the fridge. Go get something to eat in the fridge. Okay, guys, I'm showing you how to do this. If you do it this way, he turns to the right. But if you do this, he turns to the left. And if you like this, if you turn it left, he goes left. Turn it right, he goes right. So those who have this and don't know how to control it and they can't read the instructions, then or just depends if there is instructions, I can show you because I got this ever since I was in Christmas. So get the popcorn, enjoy the movie. Where are you going? Oh, go back a little. Right there, that's good. There you go. Oh! Let me check. Yeah, the batteries are fine. Okay. As you can see, I'm on my knees because, what do we have here? Sorry, just looking at the door crack. I'm trying to flip the thing. Flip. Thank you. I'm going to prop this on the door to fix this. Okay. What the heck is the matter with this? This controller is not working. No, the batteries are fine. Like, they're not even, they did. Like, hold on. Let me flip the Mario. See, when I flip it, the Mario, it does nothing. When I flip it again, it does nothing.
Why is it blinking?
That means that, like, I don't know, like, it's just not working.
It may need batteries, baby. You never know.
Here's this, I'll turn this off.
Hey, Kevin. Is this blinking because it needs batteries?
Because it's not working.
Let me get you some batteries.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna make a part 2 to this because it might take a few minutes to change the batteries. So I'm gonna make another video about this in a few minutes when the batteries get fixed. So, peace.